Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 9. Before I start this lesson, I'd like to thank a lot my viewers from the following countries. From Morocco, Spain, the United States, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Iraq, the United Kingdom, Sudan, and also from Libya, from Tunisia, from Canada, from the Netherlands, from Jordan, from Somalia, from Lebanon, from Syria, from Yemen, and from France, Turkey, Italy, and Vietnam. So I thank you a lot and I wish you a good day. Let's start. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 9, you will have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound ah. So this sound is very difficult in English because it's between normal and ah. So when we have two dots, it means that the sound is long. So you need to express ah. So and not just So let's see, okay, by seeing more examples. The sound ah is generally connected with the letter R. So in 90% of the words that we are going to see in this lesson, they are connected with the letter R. So when we have A and R, so we need to pronounce it ah. And English people, when there is an R and after it there is no vowel, they don't pronounce it. They pronounce just ah. For example, R. So because E is silent. But when we go to arc, they say just arc, arc. So they don't say arc. But for us, we are going to pronounce the R to make it easy for students to learn English. Because we are not going to pronounce like native speakers. We are going just to practice the normal pronunciation. So it means that we are going to pronounce the R. So the first word is R. The second word, arc. The third word, arm. And the last word is art. So what is important is the arm, art, arc, r. So this is the most important. So the first word is R. Repeat after me. Let's pronounce after me. R. The second word, arc. The third word, arm. The last word, art. Let's go to the next slide. This verb is argue, argue, argues, argued, arguing. Let's repeat the pronunciation after me. Argue, argues, argued, arguing. Let's go to the next slide. Army, arch, arctic, chart. So we have army, arch, arctic, chart. Let's go to the next slide. Article, artist, carpet, garden. Let's pronounce after me. Article, artist, carpet, garden. Let's go to the next slide. Bar. So as I said before, when we have the final R, English, British English, they don't pronounce, they say ba, car. They don't say car, they say car. They don't say jar, they say ja. They don't say tar, they say ta. But for beginners, we are going to pronounce the R to make it easy for you. Bar, car, jar, tar. So what is important is the sound ah, bar, car, jar, tar. Let's pronounce after me. Bar, car, jar, tar. Let's go to the next slide. Bark, barks, barked, barking. Let's pronounce after me. Bark, barks, barked, barking. Let's go to the next slide. Brass, glass, glass, grass. So we have brass, glass, glass, grass. Let's go to the next slide. Card, cart, dart, heart. Let's pronounce after me. Card, cart, dart, heart. Let's go to the next slide. Charge, charges, charged, charging. Let's pronounce after me. Charge, charges, charged, charging. Let's go to the next group of words. Charm, charms, charmed, charming, charm, charms, charmed, charming. Let's go to the next slide. Cigar, cigars, harp, sharp. Let's pronounce after me. Cigar, cigars, harp, sharp. Let's go to the next group of words. Dark, lark, market, shark. Let's pronounce after me. Dark, lark, market, shark. Let's go to the next group. Farm, harm, harmful, harmless. Let's pronounce after me. Farm, harm, harmful, harmless. Let's go to the next group. Guard, guards, guarded, guarding. Let's repeat after me. Guard, guards, guarded, guarding. Let's go to the next group. Garb, garbage, mar, marble. Let's pronounce after me. Garb, garbage, mar, marble. Let's go to the next group. Hard, hardy, par, yard. Let's repeat after me. Hard, hardy, par, yard. Let's go to the next slide. March, marches, marched, marching. Let's repeat after me. March, marches, marched, marching. Let's go to the next slide. Mark, marks, marked, marking. Let's repeat after me. Mark, marks, marked, marking. Let's go to the next slide. Park, parks, parked, parking. Let's go again, okay, over these words. Park, parks, parked, parking. Let's go to the next slide. Part, parts, parted, parting. Let's repeat after me. Part, parts, parted, parting. Let's go to the next slide. Partner, partners, partnership, partnerships. Let's repeat after me. Partner, partners, partnership, partnerships. Let's go to the next slide. Regard, regards, regarding, regardless. Let's repeat after me. Regard, regards, regarding, regardless. Let's go to the next slide. Scar, scarf, star, stars. Let's repeat after me. Scar, scarf, star, stars. Let's go to the next slide. Start, starts, started, starting. Let's repeat after me. Start, starts, started, starting. Let's go to the next slide. Target, target, large, larger, largest. Let's repeat after me. Target, large, larger, largest. Let's go to the next slide. So here we have when it is followed by s. For example, this verb ask, asks, asked, asking. So we need to pronounce a, long a. So ask, asks, asked, asking. Let's go to the next. Answer, answers, answered, answering. Let's repeat after me. Answer, answers, answered, answering. Let's go to the next. So in this case, the sound a is really connected with the letter th in this example. Bath, bath, bathroom, bathroom, spa, spa. So let's repeat after me. Bath, bathroom, spa. The last example and the last slide, the sound a is really connected with the silent letter L, as we are going to see in the following or the coming examples. For example, calf. Students, they pronounce it calf. It's not calf. So the L in these words is silent. So we don't say calf, we say calf. And the plural of calf is calves. Calves. And we have the word half. The students, they pronounce it half. So when they say, okay, the time, they say 7:30. It's not half, it's half. So the L is silent in these words. So half, half. The plural of half is halves, halves. And we have palm, palm. And we have calm, calm. So let's repeat after me for the last time these words. So the first one is calf. The second word, calves. The third word, calf. The fourth word, calves. The fifth word, palm. The last word, calm. So that's the end of today's lesson. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 9. Until then, see you soon in lesson 10. Please support our channel by clicking like if you like the content, by writing a small comment and sharing this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed until now, please do subscribe to our channel to help us continue serving you. Happy to serve you.